Hello, everybody. I have something to say about fabulous vacations. You'll never guess where I am right now. I'm in Tenerife in the Canary Islands. Thanks to some good friends of mine who are wealthy, they made this vacation possible for me. And I am now staying in what is the most beautiful house I've ever been in my life. I am living like the rich and famous. But first, a little bit about where I am. The 7 Canary Islands belong to Spain and are situated along the coast of Africa, far, far from home. And they aren't named after the little yellow birds, but for the many dogs that were found here by the first Spanish explorers. Many may remember that Tenerife was the scene of the worst aviation disaster in history. It was 1977 when 583 people were killed when 2 jumbo jets collided. Today, the islands formed from volcanic rock are now a highly rated vacation destination, frequented mostly by Europeans. But we Americans get here as well. My friends and I are staying at the Villa Circense, which is unbelievable. It's built into a volcanic cliff high above the Atlantic Ocean. Among the breathtaking views from the villa is El Teide, the 3rd highest volcano in the world. For centuries, it has smashed and cut and carved the stunning landscape. But the villa, it's spectacular. I counted 20 rooms, but there may be more. So this is how the rich live. There's a room for doing almost anything. Big kitchen, office, fitness room, sauna, massage room, game room. There's even a dungeon. And all of the rooms are furnished with beautiful furniture and appointed with amazing details. Our dinners are prepared every night by a staff and a chef who do the cleanup as well. And of course, there's daily maid service, and we get a car. Inside and out, there are fine art and sculptures. The grounds are landscaped with palm trees, cactus, and an abundance of flowers and shrubs. You just can't believe that people live this way, but they do. Night views rival the daylight ones. You can see gorgeous sunsets, and at night, the twinkling lights of the town below. Oh, if this only lasted forever. You know, they say that all good things must come to an end, and mine will in 3 days. But while it lasted, it was great. Until next time.